Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Susan and Family TV. So, how are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. As for me and my daughter, we are doing super great by His grace. Amen. And we wish the same for you out there. Amen. So, beautiful people, as you can see, welcome to another slime making video from my princess. So, today, my daughter is about to make Easter weekend slime, purple slime, mama. Purple slime for our school friends in the school. So, mama, let's get started. What do you have?
Lamb.
Okay, we have glue. You are going to use 3. We have 4. You use 3 glue. Okay. We have poster paint blue. We have poster paint red. Okay, we have shaving cream. And we have laces blue stuff and the bowl for using. So let's get started, mama. So we are going to see how you are going to turn the blue poster paint and the red poster paint into a purple slime color. You did it in the other. Okay. It's purple slime also you did. Your friends say you should please make purple slime for them. Okay. I'm trying to video it. Good for everyone to see it as you pour the glue inside. Okay, now my daughter is pouring the glue. She's going to pour 2 more. Okay, so beautiful kids and everyone out there, as you can see, the 3 and glue is already in. So here is it. Here is the 3 she used. Let's show it, mama, so that everyone can know how many you used. So she used 3. Okay, so here is it. 3 glue is already in. So mama, you are just turning it. Turning the glue. So my daughter said the glue has bubbles inside and the bubbles needs to, and this glue don't supposed to have bubbles.
The bubbles need to go.
Okay, the bubbles need to go away before you can use it for the slime making. Okay. And there's still bubbles inside the glue. So we are going to turn it more for us, for it not to have any bubbles before you can use it for your slime making. Okay, thank you for letting us know, mama. So my daughter said it's already okay. So mama, what is the next thing you are going to do? Okay, now she's going to put in the red poster paint.
It's not good.
And the little one, the dry one.
Yeah, it's not good. Make it hard.
Okay, the dry ones make it hard.
Yeah.
You can turn it, you can shake it first. Shake the poster paint first. So she's about to pour in. Is it little red poster you are using?
Yeah.
Now you are adding the blue. The blue poster paint. Let's see the amount you're adding. Okay. So the red poster paint and the blue is going to make it to turn purple. It's still blue. I think you need to add. It's going to add more red to make it purple color. Beautiful purple slime. I believe your friends they are going to like this Easter weekend slime you are making for them. It's coming purple, I think.
My registration
it will make it more purple with the shaving cream. Okay. We're going to mix it more together.
Mm-hmm.
The poster paint, red, blue, and the glue. She's just mixing it
It's
together.
like bubbles.
Okay.
It's like bubbles inside.
Is there bubbles inside already? Okay. The next is the shaving cream. The next is the shaving cream. My daughter is adding. It's little shaving cream you add, Mama?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Let's see. La la. It's coming sliming already.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Baby parts.
Baby pass, baby purple color slime you're making. Okay. It's already slimy, eh? Now you're adding now she's adding this.
Yeah.
The Lens-Step glue stuff. This is for cleaning lens, guys, in case you want to buy it. Now you're adding more shaving cream.
Fluffy.
To make it fluffy. Beautiful purple slime. Okay. Nata says she wants the purple slime. Easter weekend. Purple slime she's making for her friends to be fluffy. More. Little more of the red poster paint. Okay. It's good. It's coming slimy. You're adding more.
Yeah.
More shaving cream. Okay, let's see. It's coming slimy good. That's nice.
Maybe I'm going to make it for one person.
No, do it for two. It's not must. It has to be very big. You just cut it. It's just for playing. Is it not for playing? Mama? It must not be just too like big giant slime.
But I'm going to make it for one person.
No, make it for the two of them, for your two friends. Okay. It's big enough for two. It's for playing. It's not maybe for. It's not food for eating that is not enough. It's just for playing. You can make it for into two. Now you want it to be big slime.
To be fluffy.
You want it to be fluffy, and that's why you're adding more of the shaving cream.
Yes.
Okay. Now more red poster. It's too much.
Yes, I think. Oh no, not salt.
It's good.
Yes. Wow, so beautiful.
It's beautiful. Baby purple Easter weekend slime. Ooh, it's coming more beautiful.
I think little blue.
Little blue more. la. Clean picture.
Whoa, so beautiful.
You love it?
Yes.
The slime is really coming perfectly. Your slime is slimy good, Mama. You are doing a great job. You see, it's coming bigger. You see? That's why I told you that it's enough for 2 of your friends. Now the slime is bigger, even for 3 kids can even use it.
3.
No, it's for 2. You did already for 2 of your friends. 1 for your classmates, the other one for the other of your friend. And then this is the 4th friend in your school that you are doing making slime
that
for.
one is not my friend.
Which one? The one in your class?
No.
And it's your classmate.
No, it's not my
Okay, because he's a boy.
No.
He's your classmate. You did for him already also. And you did for the other of your
This
friends. And
for
this
my
is for
best
your 2
friend.
friends.
For my best friend.
Your best friends too. You did one for your other of your best friends. Best friend already. Okay. So beautiful people, as you can see. The beautiful Easter weekend purple slime that my daughter is making is almost through. She's doing her best to do a beautiful slime, purple slime for our friends. Now, Mama, you want to turn it on the table now? Okay.
Wait. I need to turn this one.
Now, you see, it's very big. I told you. Beautiful people, you can see the slime was little, but now it's just giant slime. It's very big now. Oh, wow. Mama, it's nice, eh? You did a great job. This is a very nice, beautiful purple slime. Mama, now you're about to put it on the table?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, the purple slime is slimy good, Mommy. Wow, that is very nice. Wow, my daughter made a very amazing, beautiful, perfect purple slime. This is so beautiful, Mama. Wow. So the slime is ready? Wow. Let's see. So beautiful. I believe your friends will love this purple slime you made for them.
Little sticky. Little sticky.
Little?
Yeah.
My daughter made a very giant bubbles. Mama, can we see it? Can we see the giant bubbles? Make another one, Mama. Oh, this is so lovely. Make another bubbles for us to see. Now you are adding the lesser blows in your hand because you say it was sticky little.
Yeah.
Okay. It's no more sticky, Mama. Ooh, wow, another giant bubbles. Ooh la la. Mama, it's better now. It's no more sticky in your hand. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mama, make another giant. The biggest bubbles. Make another giant. Ooh! This is big, eh?
Yeah.
It's 2 giant bubbles. Wow, Mama. Proficient. Congratulations, Benny. I'm so happy that you know how to mix slime very, very perfectly. It's nice. You want to make another style or another bubbles?
No. Wait. I want to.
Beautiful purple Easter weekend slime. You want to add little more? This is another giant bubbles, Mama. How are you doing it?
So
I don't know how
easy.
to make bubbles, in slime, You know the day we did
Yeah.
slime making challenge
Competition.
together
Competition.
and competition. You were trying to show Mama how to do the bubbles. I tried, but I couldn't do the bubbles on that slime. We did the camp. Another giant slime. Wow, this is too beautiful, Mommy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's so lovely, Mama. Good girl, Benedita. It's nice, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Another one is coming. Should we wait? Should we wait for another bigger giant bubbles?
Wait first this.
Okay, so everyone wait. My daughter is going to give us another amazing giant bubbles. Let's wait and see. Okay, bam, bam, bam. Ta-ra-ra-ra. Ah! You do it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. You want to add little more of that? Okay.
When it's sticky, you just need to put less of it. So
When it's sticky, you just add little of the lentil blue stuff
on the hand.
on your
You
hands.
can also
Okay.
do it like this, but then it's more
Another style.
like this.
Ooh, then it's not too
No,
giant bubbles.
yeah, well, it's giant, but it's more difficult.
Yeah, doing it in the other, turning it like another side is more difficult for the bubbles to come. Let's see. Wow! Big giant bubbles. Ooh la la. Ooh, Mama, you make one more for us or two more bubbles, okay?
Yeah.
Then
Double bubbles.
we are more grateful already for this
Or double bubbles.
amazing, inspiring, entertaining, interesting Easter weekend purple slime. You just showed us how to make it.
It's almost school.
It's almost school, yes. Next week, by God's grace, we'll resume school for after the Easter holidays. And we are excited. You're excited to see your friends, Mommy, in school.
Yeah.
And to give them this amazing purple slime you made for them. They are going to jump and be happy. So beautiful slime, Mama. Let's see it, Mommy. Let's see it again. Trying to show it. Okay, very beautiful. Okay, Mommy. Can you do another one for us?
When you want to make it small, then you need to do it like this.
Okay, we want to make small bubbles. Okay, you just pick it from the middle. And you want to split it. You split this slime into two.
Yeah.
You want to make little bubbles. Okay. Even when you split the slime, it's still giant bubbles. So
I'm going to split it
you
more.
see, I told you, Mama, that it's enough for two. You see,
I'm going to split
with
it
two
more.
even, you see, you can split it even and give to more of your friends. Even for four, it's okay. It's just for playing. Use this one. Let's see if they can use it for bubbles.
Now more. Let's see.
It's good, Mommy.
No.
It's good for two.
What
The
do
smallest
you
one.
think?
If the small one, the smallest slime, let's see if it's going to bubble.
One more try.
Yeah, one more try. Let's see the smallest slime. Little bubbles.
Now more.
Another smallest one. Ooh la la. Are you sure this is going to bubbles? I also try the smallest. Coming smaller and smaller. Ooh, okay. The smallest one. More smallest coming. Let's see if my daughter can make this tiny little slime to bubbles. Ooh, that is nice. Mommy, you did a great job. We are grateful for this video. And more little. Let's see the tiniest.
Yeah. This is
tiniest.
This is
slime.
last. After this one.
Let's see. This is the most tiniest slime ever. We don't know if it's going to. Let's see if my daughter can make it into bubbles. Almost.
Now it's tinier. This is
another
tiniest.
one. Ooh, the tiniest ever slime we have ever seen. Can you make it to bubbles for us, Mama? Oh, it did! Wow! Clap for yourself, Mommy. That is very nice. Your friends are going to love this beautiful purple slime you made for them. So, beautiful people, thanks for watching. Hope you love this amazing, entertaining, interesting, inspiring, video of Easter holiday, Easter weekend purple slime my daughter just made. If you want to see more of the videos my daughter made concerning slime, please try to click on those videos. Ooh, giant bubbles, and also the competition slime making video my daughter did. Try to click on the video, so you will love the video. Also, you will find it entertaining as this one also is entertaining. So thanks for watching. Wow, this is too beautiful. See you in our next video. Just looks so amazing, just like in the sea. Just look, it's like a fish in the sea. See, Mommy? The design, mermaid. It's like a mermaid in the sea, guys. Just look at it, like a mermaid in the sea. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video by His grace. We love you. Remember, please. My daughter and I would love to see a lot of comments. We'd love to see a lot of like. Please do that for my child. Do that for my loving daughter who just gave us amazing slime, So let's see your comments and put lots of love, likes for my daughter. So thanks for watching. Thanks for taking your time to view our channel. Thanks for taking your time to watch this amazing slime, purple slime making my daughter just did. See you in our next video by His grace. Remember, bless from Susan and Family TV. We love you. Mama, what do you have to say?
Bye.
Okay, my daughter says, see you in our next video by His grace. We love you. Let's see. Ooh.